नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Devian Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gyneo, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's session is progesterone hormone. Site of secretion. The progesterone is secreted from the utilized theca granulosa cells of the corpus luteum. A trace amount is, however, secreted from the theca granulosa cells of the follicle and also from the ovarian stroma. Metabolism of progesterone is bound mainly to albumin 79% and corticosteroid binding globulin 17.7%. It is metabolized in the liver and excreted as sodium preganglionic glucuronide in the urine. This metabolite has no progestat, uh, progestational activity. Only 20% of secreted progesterone is conjugated and appears in the urine as preganglidiol. Amount of production and blood level. Daily production of progesterone is 2 to 3 mg in follicular phase and 20 to 30 mg in luteal phase. Daily excretion of preganglidiol in the urine is less than 1 mg in follicular phase and 3 to 6 mg in luteal phase. Serum value of progesterone is less than 1 mg per ml in follicular phase and 5 to 15 mg per ml in mid-luteal phase. Physiological action. Progesterone acts on all the organs of genital tract and on the breast, provides they are synthesized by estrogen. Now, first is uterus. Progesterone produce myohyperplasia and diminish the contractile of the myometrium. It, however, increases the tone of the circular muscles fiber at the isthmus. It produces secretory activity in the endometrium, enhance secretion of the glands rich in glycogen. The character of the cervical mucus is changed and become more thick and viscous, preventing sperm penetration. Now vagina. The maturation of the vaginal epithelium is hindered. There is more shading of the intermediate cells with folded edge and a tendency to clump. Fallopian tubes. The epithelial cells are stimulated to secrete clear mucus which helps in migration of the ovum. Tubal motility is, however, decreased with may predispose to tubal pregnancy. Breast, also with estrogen, it produces hypertrophy and growth of acinar structure. Gender. Progesterone is thermogenic rise the basal body temperature by 0 to 0.2 to 0.5 degrees centigrade. There may be enhanced deposition of fat in the tissues. It relaxes smooth muscles and ligaments. Especially during pregnancy, it promotes the secretion of serum by the skin Like other steroids, it causes fluid retention. And endocrinal system, hypothalamo-pituitary axis. The principal negative feedback action of progesterone is upon the mid-cycle gonadotropins shark, and it may be responsible for its short duration. Progesterone by itself does not appear to exert a positive feedback effect. However, its rise during pre-ovulatory period is related with the FSH shock by its positive feedback action. The positive feedback effect of estradiol in the secretory phase is inhibited by progesterone. GnRH secretion, progesterone first low level, stimulate then high level, inhibit the production of GnRH. Ovary progesterone acts through both intra-ovarian and central negative feedback mechanism to suppress new follicular growth. It is post-luteal luteate that increased intra-ovarian progesterone concentration prevents follicular maturation in the ovary in the subsequent cycle. Now this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.